Just recently, Speaker of the House of Representatives, Tajuddin Abbas, called for the alteration of the 1999 Constitution to create a role for traditional rulers, given their closeness to the people at the grassroots. Analysts on the program noted that this is an indication of people's innate desire to preserve their cultural affinity, but cautioned that assigning roles to traditional rulers may further reduce them to mere political tools.
The role of the traditional institution should not be reduced to the level of mere advisory. In a lot of societies, in my society, the traditional institutions play a lot of judicial functions. They intercede. The lawyers there are telling us about alternative conflict resolution. How do we decongest the courts? In our communities, traditional institution is heavily involved in the resolution of a lot of matters that would have otherwise gone to the court of law and taking a very long time before it is determined. So the traditional institution, as far as I'm concerned, is a very critical institution.
While Professor Kabir Mato, a political scientist, vetoed the idea of constitutionalizing roles for traditional rulers. Professor Idoba Omorige, however, suggested advisory roles for traditional rulers in the constitution, while insulating them from political interference.
I would never support an institution where the traditional ruler will not sit and be dispensing executive power. Or be dispensing legislative power, or be exercising judicial authority. Of course, that would be completely against what the people desire, which is they want to be governed democratically. But even as we are governing democratically, the culture of the people must be preserved. And the best way to do that is to ensure that the traditional institution is preserved as well. And the only way you can guarantee that preservation is by including them clearly in the constitution that the people have donated to themselves, so that politicians will not play poker with them.
They added that the role of traditional rulers in forestalling peace and security in communities, and indeed the nation, is critical, therefore must be recognized in the Constitution as an institution that cannot be undermined.